Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Olympiads channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky and interesting math question. What is the value of the expression 6 divided by 36 over 36 divided by 6? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this might seem like a very simple problem, but it actually confuses around 95% of people. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people, when they first look at this expression, notice the two sixes that I have highlighted in blue, and immediately assume they cancel each other out. Then, they look at the two 36s and assume those cancel each other out as well. Eventually, they reduce the whole expression to 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. And without thinking twice, they quickly say that option A must be the right answer. But that's actually incorrect. Now let me walk you through the correct way to solve this question. First, we'll write this expression in the following form. 6 divided by 36, then divided by 36 divided by 6. Now, instead of the part that I have marked in blue, we write the fraction 6 over 36. And for the part that I've highlighted in yellow, we write 36 over 6. At this point, we need to simplify the entire expression. Alright, whenever we are dividing two fractions, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K means keep the first fraction as it is, C means change the division sign to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So, we replace the part that I've highlighted in yellow with 6 over 36 multiplied by 6 over 36. Alright, now let's simplify this fraction. The numerator, 36, cancels out with one of the 36's in the denominator. And in the end, the full expression becomes 1 over 36. So, the correct answer to this question is option D. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.